Hi there, Lorraine Dennison here from Living Positive. Today I should have been going to Peru on this amazing trip with this company that I've been on trips with before called Explore. Anyway, 2 months ago when I was supposed to have paid the deposit, I was in a position where for various reasons I couldn't go. And what I want to say today is I could be in a state of, oh, I wish I was going to Peru. Why, I really hope, it's going to be a fantastic trip and I could go on and on like that. But I've decided not to have any regrets because wrong place, wrong time, this sort of thing. And I know that everything is in the moment. Like, I don't have to be in Peru to feel good. I'm here in my own back garden and I feel good. I can go cycling around my own track locally and feel amazing. So I don't have to go to the other side of the world to feel good because I just know that Peru will always be there at the end of the day. So yeah, just a little snippet, a little bit of inspiration that I thought I'd talk to you about. Yeah, so have a great day everyone. Bye for now.